Gotta leave my biking gear. These people can't be trusted. And I feel bad for my neighbors in 3, 2, 1. See, I really love this exhaust. But man, it's loud. So today, I haven't slept yet, pulled an all-nighter. Damn, I smell good as I work third shift at my job. And I went home, played some game. I'm on that Battlefield Joy right now. Y'all can talk smack, but that game is so much better than Call of Duty. Don't at me. Yeah, pulled an all-nighter. About to get breakfast with the homie. Go shopping a little bit. My buddy's having a wedding today. Someone I ride with, Devin, with that beautiful red and blue R6. He's getting married today, so a bunch of us are gonna pop out for the ceremony and bring our bikes, so I gotta have a bunch of dress clothes. However, I don't have a black blazer, little suit jacket, so we finna get one. That motherfucker's still dead. I'm a little nervous right now because I'm not working with any turn signals. I dropped my bike the other day. Nothing hard, just I tipped her. She alright. Broke the right turn signal. Unfortunately, the rears, because I got a fender eliminator kit, the rears don't move up with the front. They don't work on the front, which is stupid. So ordered some sequential turn signals. They look alright from TST, so I'll be getting those soon, but hopefully a cop doesn't. I've been having bad luck with cops lately. Hopefully one doesn't try to pull me over. I just recently discovered how to use cruise control on like a lower gear. I didn't know you had to be up to like 4th, 5th gear, so yeah, this is gonna prevent me from speeding because I got 2 tickets within a month. And I'm not trying to get any more, so I'm gonna be rocking this cruise control for a while, chilling. One thing I love about this bike is the cruise control. It's very smooth. You never, hold on, let me see if I can hit this. Oh yeah, I'm good. You never really have to worry about it being jerky. It's very smooth. I don't know how they do it, but Yamaha, mwah. Hey, there's Guy. Oh, wait. Nah. That's gay. That's where we're going?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Fucking do it like this. Fucking do it.
Jesus Christ.
I say every day she be giving it up.
Jesus. Jesus.
A few inches later.
You. Good race. I had you for a moment, but your engine showed who was more superior.
The only problem with running through honest territory is shit all over the road.
Huh?
Huh?
Said there's shit all over the road.
Yeah. Come here, baby girl. Come here. Move up. Move up, ugly. Come here. Park your car. Shit. Shit.
What?
You got a handle on it?
What?
Try to get it.
Because this is the way that I usually take.
Ooh!
What?
I didn't mean it. My pipes are turning blue, the middle one.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. All right,
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Fucking kids. Let's go. Where are we going?
Buffalo.
Alright, so we're just gonna
Right.
yeah. Into the fucking ditch. I'll bring us some cattaraugus. Let's go. Let's scratch our fairings.
That's what happened when I dropped it. It's just plastic.
Oh, this shit's wrapped?
Yeah.
What?
It was this color.
Oh. Huh, okay. Let's go.
What's up, Pimp? Nah, that shit smells good.
Yeah. That and dope is pretty good. This shit called dope.
Huh?
Over to the side. Yeah, look, it's so weird.
Get the fuck out! My little puppy, eh?
Fucking show, man.
Is that what he said?
Yeah.
Yeah.